How would you like to get traffic from social media using an automated software? And if you decide to grab that software, you get $6,000 in bonuses. Stay tuned. If you decide to get Surge through the link in the description below, you're going to get access to $6,485 in bonuses, which I'm going to be covering right here. And then we'll actually go into a demo of the software itself, as I'll explain exactly what it is and how you can make traffic from social media sites using viral or targeted videos. Now, the first bonus is a 1K a day training call. You'll be invited to an exclusive customer-only training call where you can learn secrets of how a newbie can go from zero to generating over $1,000 per day. That is a $3,000 bonus. Bonus number 2, you're going to get 58 discount on upgrade number 1. You'll instantly qualify for a special $58 discount coupon that you can use to save $58 off the first upgrade. Premium bonus number 3, you're going to get premium agency license. For the first new customer, we have decided to include our premium agency license worth $497 absolutely free. This means you can get Surge for clients, charging them $497 to $997 to get traffic for them at a click of a button. So you're actually going to be able to resell this license and profit. Premium bonus number 4, you're going to get super affiliate coaching program. You also get access to our super affiliate coaching program, showing you A to Z of how we've generated $400,000 in affiliate commissions. That is a $900.97 value bonus. And bonus number 5, 30 best-selling products free. You'll get instant access to all the software and training programs we've sold over the last few years, responsible for millions online. Retail value of $1,997. So make sure, if you want to grab Surge, hit the link in the description below to claim those bonuses. Plus, the first 200 customers invited to the live 250K in 30 days new class. The honest to God value of this is $1,997. Imagine making even a fraction of that every single month. Go ahead, grab Surge below. Now, you might be wondering, what is Surge? This is a simple cloud-based software which allows you to leverage Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok for massive amounts of traffic. In this video, you will learn exactly what Surge is, and while I explain the benefits, you can see a live demo in the background. All right, so as you're watching this video in the background, what you're going to see is live action replay of this software. So you're going to get to see posting of videos on YouTube. You're going to get to see the slideshow and the carousel feature, which you can use in this software. The one thing I want you to know is just how automated you can make the sharing of viral videos by simply using this software. It's going to do all the work for you so that you can just copy and paste videos that are already going viral and use them in your marketing methods. The software is going to allow you to take videos from Facebook, videos from YouTube, and even videos from TikTok and leverage them to profit in your business by getting targeted traffic from these social media giants. Using the software, you'll be able to post either viral content or content that is specific for one particular niche. For example, if you're in the fitness niche and you're looking for a simple video which is going to explain a workout, what you can do is you can simply just search for that specific workout inside the platform using the Surge software, and Surge will go out there and find the video for you, and then you can post it to your specific social media accounts. Now, with that being said, if you want to get access to Surge and the bonuses that I went over at the beginning of this video, all you have to do is click the link in the description below and my bonuses will be sent to you directly upon purchase of Surge. So make sure, grab Surge through the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what you plan on using Surge for. This software is like nothing I've seen. This software is like nothing I've ever seen before, allowing you to practically automate traffic into your business. You can easily take videos or post your products in awesome looking carousels or video slideshows, making the engagement on your posts grow, allowing you to grow your brand by automation. So make sure you grab Surge in my bonuses below if you want to make videos and profit from other people's work leveraging this amazing software. If you want more videos like this, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications if you want to be notified every time I come out with new uploads. Everything on this channel is related to making money, investing, cryptocurrency, and other ways of taking your online business to the next level. So thank you for tuning in. This is Dylan DeFazio with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I'll see you in the next video.